Gopalan, I could not record up to now.
No problem. Can manage it. Yeah.
I think I sent that to all directors.
Yeah.
From the mail. Shall we go to the next item until I repeat this?
Yeah. Retrieve down.
Okay. Shall I go to here? Is there anything else on risk and sustainability? Any questions?
No, that's all.
Then I will go to strategy later. I would like first take up the minutes matters arising, and then you take it arising, and then you come up with your proposal.
Can I, Kirti, can I have the permission to?
Yeah, I made you co-host.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
No.
No, sir, I'm gonna check.
No, not.
Now okay, no? Is it okay now?
Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay. Basically, last board meeting we have discussed two main points. So both has been activated. So I need to give an update about it. The number one that what we have discussed last time was the lack of social media presence of FCCISL. And also proposed to have a digital media partner, an active digital media partner with no cost involvement as a sponsor, maybe a partner, where somebody who can come and just streamline this operation, also to help us with the events we do and things like that. I have proposed the Transco Digital for this purpose, and soon after the board meeting we have basically initiated this process, and these are just some of the clients that this agency is handling right now. One reason why I contacted them is because of I have seen them involved with one of Slim event. So they are doing some work with Slim, so similar organization and a very active association as well. So they were doing some work with Slim. So I thought it will be handy for us also if they come on board to help us to streamline this. So after the concept presented to the board, we had a Zoom meeting with the participation of the president, SVP, members of the PR committee as well. And we have basically discussed the scope and responsibilities of the digital media partner, and we came to some sort of an understanding. And Abbas was there too, has given a lot of thoughts. So finally, we agreed on the scope, what the scope that they're going to handle, and how we can benefit them. Basically, we can give them some access to some of our member chambers to do some programs with them, etc., etc. And since everything is done, and also the president is not coming to Colombo very regularly, today we asked them to come to Federation office. That is why I finally became the only director to come for the physically come for the board meeting as well. At 2 o'clock, we invited them to come to Federation office, had a small discussion, and also took some pictures. And we basically issued them, since we agreed at the meeting we held via Zoom on the scope and responsibility, we basically make it official by issuing a letter to them for a period of 1 year. They have already started working with us for the next agenda and the next project that I will present today. They have already started. And so this first they will do a kind of a social media audit of all the properties of us and give us a report on how the improvements can be done, and they will execute their recommendations for the same. So we will basically, as presented last time, they will look at all possible social media platforms and also communication platforms we can use to interact with our members and also members of our member chamber. So they will first do, as I said, the social media audit and tell us where we stand and where they can take us. So this is again only a partnership. There's no financial considerations. They will be there as a sponsor. Then the second thing that we have discussed last time is to do a project or a webinar on GSP Plus, because it's a hot topic and also an important topic. And also we thought only the political aspects of GSP Plus has been discussed and highlighted even by the media, but not the business aspect of it. And also with the assumption that it is better to protect GSP Plus for the business community of Sri Lanka, because it's something important and having an impact of the exporters' competitiveness. We thought of going ahead with the webinar, and we have basically finalized almost everything. Especially very special thanks to Kirti for helping find out a lot of very quality speakers as well. So currently this has been done and it has been fixed for 12th of August. It is very close, so we will be starting marketing activities of the webinar. We were really busy finalizing speakers, a good list of speakers, and that we have already done. So we are in the process of designing the visuals, and we will be starting the marketing campaign by tomorrow. And the date of the webinar is 12th from 3 to 5 via Zoom. And these are the confirmed speakers. We have 6 on board currently, including the ambassador of Sri Lanka to EU, the HE Grace Asirivadam, and also we got the consent of EBB chairman, Mr. Suresh Dimel, Dr. Dayantha, the former Dayaratna, the former Sri Lankan ambassador to WTO. Also a recommendation from the EU ambassador, Mr. Alex. He is the CEO of European Institute of Asian Studies. Then 2 industry representatives from the apparel, Hemanta Pereira, from I think Sarasavi Exporters,
Yeah.
a member of JEF as well. And also the Seafood Exporters Association president is also joining as a speaker. So the keynote will be by the ambassador. Suresh will do mainly on EDB involvement and commitment towards GSP. And Dr. Dayaratna and Alex will more or less do a technical presentation on main features of GSP Plus. And Hemanta and Dilan will talk on very much an industry specific examples and case studies in the forum. And we thought of inviting media as well to cover it, though it's an online session. And also we are sure, and also we will be marketing it through some of the organization, the databases we already have in my hand. And also we'll get these two industry speakers to promote it through their organizations as well. And also everybody, even the ambassador was so interested and so enthusiastic and about the forum, and she will get some foreign audience as well for the forum. And also through Suresh, we are going to send this to all the EDB database as well, for them also to join for the forum. So that's those two are the things that we have discussed last time, highlighted. And so that is the update, and both has been I think successfully put it to on track. Yeah, so more visuals updates about the GSP Plus will receive by the board WhatsApp group by tomorrow or day after for sure. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, Saranga. You have taken a lot of efforts and trouble. It is very interesting actually now that we can't have physical meetings to organize this type of webinars on subjects that is very relevant to this with the COVID situation.
I think the most important thing is there's a lot of interest shown by the ambassador for the program. And also I need to update, tomorrow at 3 o'clock we are having with all the speakers a planning session for them to give the scope clear, because we need to make sure that there is no overlapping between speakers, what they speak, what they present, and also to give them timing and how to handle question and answer session as well. So we are having a planning session at 3 o'clock tomorrow online. So that is also fixed. Yeah.
Thanks.
Saranga, can I ask a question, please?
Yes.
Can I ask one question? Saranga, this because actually, thank you. It's a lovely, I think. So congratulations. It'll be a wonderful. I'd love to see that such a good panel. Anyway, you managed to get it. So it's great. Good job. I'm just, is it possible? Are you covering, because for the GSP Plus, very important two sectors are apparel and tea. You know, are you covering any speakers for those two sectors as well?
Yeah, apparel is already covered. Apparel is already covered with one of JEF member, and it was courtesy of Kirti, who can even explain about the speaker. Tea, now we actually have to limit it to 2 industry speakers. I agree. If we can get somebody on tea on board will be really handy. But what we really thought of doing is, after doing this exercise, this is the base. And after that, we are going to do a series of maybe about 3-4 webinars, industry specific webinars. So for that, mainly our focus is also to take apparel, dedicated apparel one, for seafood, and also for tea. So for this, since we already have 6 speakers, we may have a difficulty of getting one more, but we'll surely do a dedicated one for tea soon after this, because some of these speakers and even ambassador and even EDB was interested for us to work with us on that. And apparel is anyway already covered. Kirti,
if you want, I can speak
brief about the speaker.
Yeah, Hemanta is the Sarasavi export. That is the Isabella Group. You know, they are the largest socks manufacturer in Asia. And you know, he is supplying under GSP plus to some countries. So therefore, he has, you know, the experience to speak. And you know, he was the previous the garment. You know, they have large garment factory owners association, and there is another medium size factory as well. He was the one-time president and still a very active member there. And he's the free trade zone association. Also, he's the vice president or something. He is quite a he's a person, you know, who has a lot of experience. He has overseas business. He has a factory started in Nigeria, and quite a lucrative man to address a forum like this. He has a lot of insights he can probably share, and if there are any questions from the audience, he'll be able to answer many of them because he would have faced some of them.
Okay, because if you want, I can get the Tea Exporters Association chairman on board. If you have if you can accommodate Saranga, just keep that in mind. I don't know whether you have time now.
Yeah, tomorrow we are actually doing a small. We currently have an issue of managing time because ambassador has basically asked for a longer period of time for her keynote address. We actually cut down time from her as well, but if there's any room, I'll definitely call you tomorrow on this.
Yeah, no
thank you.
Thank you.
We can also do a seminar where you get them also on board.
Or we can, if by any chance, if this is not possible, we like to do in about 2 weeks from this, a dedicated one for tea and GSP plus something like that. We can actually think of organizing, but we'll see whether we can accommodate a 7th speaker as well.
Thank you, Saranga. Thank you for your efforts, and Kirti also. I know both of you all are working on these webinars.
Yeah.
I have been joining your planning meetings. Thank you very much. At least it keeps the FCCI going. I mean, as we feel that it's alive. Thank you. Now I'm going on to strategy. First, I would like Ajit, you'll have to give a briefing on the projects that you are doing work with IFC, WFP, and SYG. You don't have to repeat what you have done earlier, but the new projects and also the work you have been, I mean, this webinars or whatever the work that you have been carrying out last month, you can inform the board. That would be good. And also what you have planned also for the future.
Okay, thank you, and I hope you can listen to me. Listen to me. Oh. Katie, can you listen to me?
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will, without explaining objectives and all sort of things, I will come to the point direct. And the project, this is about the SOIG project. On 8th of very long this thing ago, but in the month of July. And we had a planning meeting of work plan with the SOIG team on 12th of July. Then we circulated we informed all the presidents and CEOs of all district chambers by 17th of August. And then also the project team had individually communicated with the district chambers. And so the draft TOR has been developed for the steering committee. Now it's been developed by the SOIG. And also we are thinking that when it's come to hospitality industry, apart from our own member chamber, other the association sector is related to the hospital management who have not become our members. I think SOIG also think that we have to speak to them also because there are a lot of informal set of workers management. So we are talking to, we may talk to them as well. And these are the planned activities for the month of August. We have to finalize the TOR, and that's basically the TOR is basically a work of the SOIG, and that we are expecting to meet. And then for the steering committee, they will appoint industry stakeholders like some universities who are basically who are going to engage in the process to promote our courses, to promote business coaches. So they will also be there. And this is one thing that, you know, due to the COVID-19, the process is, but it is not due to a mistake or lapse on our part. It is basically the circumstances beyond our control. Then physical awareness meeting we are organizing, that it's a problem because with the new inter-district traveling, some restrictions are basically, they say it is only for the government workers. Others will have to remain indoor. However, we are still planning. According to the project details, the marketing consultant and MIS management information system, the development consultant, both have been interviewed by SOIG team. I took part in the meetings. So this that has not been finalized, but SOIG has the call, and they had to finalize for us to move forward. The International Finance Corporation and Together We Can campaign. We had 2 sessions actually, very successful and nicely organized by IFC, and they started on time and they finished it off on time. And this is the first the lessons they had given to 39 or 40 odd companies who have joined the program. And then the next one also we had as we scheduled. And we also have another one on 23rd that now at the moment we are in touch with the companies who want to join. And about the World Food Program, this is basically the main the core of the program is to build a SME consortium training program, designing, packaging, and web pages under the Vanija.lk. Right now, we have started working with the participants who came for the last year 2 sessions we conducted in Kegol and Kandy. And also there is a new thinking coming that you are doing all upgrades once, everything, but also we have to help SMEs joining the supermarket chain. So the World Food Program and the SBN network, they are in touch with Heels and Food City and Laugh, how to have a special SME corner for these thing. But before that, they insist that there should be proper certifications and the quality standards should be maintained by the SMEs. And also the SBN is currently working on the scope for the Vanija.lk. We had a meeting with head of PR and the World Food Program team, how to move forward and how to accommodate 500 SME food sector related companies within our Vanija.lk. I think Saranga and they had basically wanted to, now they have agreed to have the marketplace, which we didn't want to do earlier on our own. We initially thought that it is to collect the portfolios and to demonstrate it. But now, since there's a request from World Food and also they are going to do the funding to make it a truthfully the e-commerce platform. So I think Taranga and Vishmita all were on the online meeting, and they have agreed to do that as well. So they are technically working on that. And then developing SPN strategy for 2022-23 is a worldwide phenomenon. And that's basically, actually, I'm also not fit to speak about it, because this is the one still being considered by the World Food Program across the globe to come out with the Sun 3.0 strategy, like something like what we are doing on tomorrow, the Industrial Fourth Revolution, something like that. So this is a new strategy. They have to finalize it yet. So these are the things. And then 7 China-Sri Lanka Joint Commission comes in September. So Department of Commerce Sri Lanka has requested us to put our suggestion. So under the capacity development program, I had tabled the trusted trader platform of FCCISL, and hopefully, that will have their attention, because FCCISL has already signed up an agreement with CCPIT some time back to recognize the mutual recognition for the trusted traders, the certifications issued by both countries. So I think that's a good point for the Department of Commerce. And finally, in Sri Lanka, it has to be a public-private partnership. And then the joint press release also we issued with IFC regarding the breaking of this one. So I think it was widely circulated, and FCCISL PR team also gave the support on a lot of digital and media platforms, whereas it was more focusing on the press, the press and the radio on program. So we have support. In activities for August, we had done our submissions to the joint chamber meeting. Actually, we are one month ahead of the Ceylon Chamber initiative. We had done our part, and we had basically scanned 7 industries, major industries influencing the GDP of Sri Lanka, and we carefully identified the questions and also probable solutions. And I think actually we need not join this program, but still to show the solidarity of the programs, I sent the whatever they, I mean, their main theme was to talk about the fertilizer issue. It was, and then I had shared what we sent to His Excellency President on the same topic. I shared with the Ceylon Chamber also. If you really are interested, that you can go, and they thanked me for sending our input. And then we will have a World Food Program, the workshop in Matale 9th, and then Nuwara 10th, and workshop in Badulla on 11th. This is to upgrade and upscale their knowledge. So this we have to do, because if we are going to get the funds for the second stage from Rome, we should do this. So whatever the difficulties we have and the health conditions, we have decided to do it. Whereas a couple of lecturers will join online, but others have consented to join physically. As a part commitment to our strategic sponsor at Slotty, we will do another webinar on to the Sinhala speaking audience on 23rd of August. This is how we have planned. This is all for the July and August. I believe we feel that there won't be a big changes to the Nirodhayani rules. Otherwise, this program will take place. If there is no lockdown, definitely these physical programs too will get off the ground. Thank you very much.
Any questions?
Come out of this. Okay.
Or shall I move on? Okay. Thank you very much for briefing the board on the work carried out and what you have planned for the future. what we discussed at the strategy at the last meeting was one is the main thing was how we could get some funds to cover our liabilities. So one suggestion that came to the previous strategy meeting was to start the slotty. We have already started work on it as a progress. Our trade minister actually consented and showed concern that he is interested in joining up with the federation for the next slotty. So we have already prepared a proposal which Kirti has already got an appointment from the trade minister today for us to meet him in his residence. So myself, Saranga and Kirti, we are meeting him there and to hand over the proposal of the slotty. Actually, I think it was sent to all the board members. You may wonder why this big budget. We had to inflate it because then only at least half we could ask, because they would not go at least 5 million or 9 million, because we have showed that it's about 18 million. So that step we are working on the slotty thing. The other area was whether we could do something with the port city. Ajit, can you please explain about that, what we discussed? And also Rohit also came out with some suggestions.
I had sent an email overnight requesting a time for the FCCISL to make a presentation. Actually, we don't have that expertise, but I luckily found a very good the professional who was also invited by International Chamber of Commerce recently to appear on their platform, the investment in new normal in Asia. So he was also a very good speaker. I followed the entire program. That's how I met him, and with his credentials and his profile, I sent to this committee, and they had said that they would come back to me. Probably it will be an online meeting, not a physical meeting. Thank you. And this is because even this committee needs. They have decided to get the expertise from the others who are basically professionals, and this person is based in Singapore, and right now I think he's in Sri Lanka. Thank you very much. The entire submission he makes will be distributed to the next board meeting if it happens, if we are given the opportunity, and they have said they will give the opportunity. So we will keep the board informed of our submission, as I did the longer letter with the 13 pages to HE. We had circulated among the board. So the same way that too will be circulated for the information of the board. Thank you.
Discuss the proposal that we have prepared, FCCISL, with the finance minister, with the EC members, so that they could come out with their issues, because that is one thing area that they lack. They say that we are not looking at their issues. So hopefully, I am also going through a channel. And yesterday that day at the strategy meeting, I discussed this with Rohit also. I heard that he has a channel. He told me that I told him to see what has happened to the letter that we have sent and the appointment. So he said he will talk to the people whom we know there and come back to us. And so I'm also waiting for, today I got a feedback from the president's house that this month he is very busy. Probably he could consider next month, right? So that's the feedback I got. Next month, and they will be sending an official letter, also a reply to our letter, that they will be sending an official letter because if we can't this month, next month they could meet us. So that is the strategy, the main areas we discussed. This one is fundraising, one is lobbying for our members, and also the work being carried out and what is planned for the future. So, and any other business, we have to confirm the date of the AGM. And Mr. Gopalan, I want you to write an official letter to the registrar company that we were planning to. We wanted to have the AGM on the 30th due to the this COVID situation. We had to shift it to this month. And as we discussed, the 27th of August, whether we could have the AGM. I know I'm just telling the board. That is the date that we are thinking of, 27th of August. Because we have to have it. No, now we are late, so we have some more habits. So that's why I push it to the end of the month, because I'm also very keen to get the accounts, audited accounts. So then if he finishes the accounts, then we can have a special board meeting and get the audit accounts approved, and then we can put to the AGM. So that is to buy time only. I've shifted it towards 27th. Any comment about the date? '27th. So we'll Gopalan. We will.
Yeah.
Send a letter.
I told him.
Why we could not.
Yeah, you will have to send a letter why we couldn't have it last month. And due to, and now we have going to have it on the 27th. We'll see how the situation. I hope we will be able to have it, but still we don't know the country situation. We don't know what will happen tomorrow, but anyway, we shall fix it up for 27th so that we can work fast on our accounts and see that we get those right before the AGM. Okay, is it okay by everybody? I think no comments. I think so. We will settle to 27. I shifted, and Gopalan, please do right. And Samantha's, can you give a briefing on Samantha's case?
Hello. The first trial was taken up on 2nd of August. I also went there to witness it. And next proceedings will be held on 29th of September. And so it will basically, I think once a month there will be a trial.
So, any questions, anything from the board? I'm going to close the meeting. So I think, yeah, so it's okay. So, and Kirti, now we have the meeting with the Trade Minister at 8 p.m. Kirti, hello. Kirti. Kirti, and we have to get the address.
Yeah.
We have the meeting. We have to meet him at 8 p.m.
Yes.
I do not have the address. At least you just send me.
That is Jambugasmulla Road. When you go on the Jambu, like if you go from what do you call this? Where the Gansaba Junction, go down on the Gansaba Junction, then you get the Jambugasmulla entrance. When you're climbing
down,
up that,
you go to Nugegoda and go down on the Gansaba Junction to Jambugasmulla Road.
yes.
Then if you ask anybody, they would know. No?
Yeah. When Jambugasmulla Road, when you go little interior, you get a little kind of the road is getting to a little hilly area. On the right hand side, you have a big house there. That's his house.
So they will know. No.
Yeah. It's easy to find there.
The Gansaba Junction, Nugegoda Gansaba Junction. What part is the junction?
Gansaba Junction එකෙන් කෙලින්ම හරවන්න දෙහිවල පැත්තට. When you go on that road, you go down and then little bit hill again. Just starting at the
ගම්සභා ජංක්ෂන් එකෙන් දෙහිවල පැත්තට හරවනවා. එතන යනකොට පල්ලෙහාට යනකොට ජම්බුගස් මැල්ල රෝඩ් එක තියෙනවා. ඒතෙන්ට ගියාට පස්සේ
Ugasmol road කියන්නේ right hand side road එක.
Okay. Dehiwala. Oh, you got it, no? Okay. Sanangi is joining.
Sure.
Sanangi is coming, myself and you, and Sanangi is bringing the documents, no?
Ajit.
Ajit is Sanipana hand. Me adat me amar we didn't. දන්නේ මේ කොහොමද දන්නේ මම මේ පොඩ ඇතින් ඉන්නේ එකයි
කියන්න බෑ
මගේ ගාද ඔෆිස් එකට තාවිට මාත් එක්ක කතා කරන්න ටෙලිෆෝන් එකෙන් කතා කරා ඊට පස්සේ මිරිසාවයි කැස්සයි කියලා මේ හිටියා දැන් ගොඩක් අය සානීප නෑනේ you and Rohit versus not feeling well.
Are we taking that list or taking at the next meeting? එනං risk and sustainability අරගෙනම කතා කරමු.
risk එකේ කතා කරන එක ඉන්නේ රිට්‍රීට් කරන්න බෑ.
මොකද?
That list.
රිට්‍රීට් කරන්න බෑ.
And then you are going to have a meeting, no?
Anyway, we have to have a meeting with the auditor.
Auditor. Oh,
ඒ වෙලාවේ එකක් ගමු.
අරගෙන අපි will have to have a special board meeting before the AGM.
Yeah.
Before the AGM, a special board meeting to get the accounts approved.
Yeah.
So that is why මම අර AGM එක shift කරුවේ මාසේ අන්තිමට so that we can work on these accounts soon. I hope. So then thank you so much, very much for participating today. Anyway, we will have a separate physical meeting. I hope special meeting was physical. I hope so.
And also don't forget about the president's dinner as well.
President dinner.
Successful.
Finishing
the first finishing the first successful. So that's, I think he has to be.
I think all the board can support me to get these accounts right. That's all I want at the moment. I think everybody wants it. I know Tusita has been telling that all the time. It's like ringing in my ears.
No, we somehow will do it, what tell mail board members separately.
චීස්රා මට දෙන්නට ඕනේ මේක හරියට හරි ගසගෙන යන්න. ඒකට secondary treatment එකක් දෙන්නේ නැහැ අපි.
Yeah.
Finances වලට first trade. ඒක පස්සේ කරන්නම් කියලා දාන්න කැමති දෙයක්. ඒ වගේම Kirti is also with the same thinking, so I think it will happen. So thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, bye.
See you, Kirti, at 8 o'clock near Jambugas.
Okay. I will call you around 7:30 විතර call 7:30.
අන්න යනවා කවුරු හරි පන්න boyfriend කෙනෙක් හම්බෙන්න මේ වෙලාවේ. මම වෙලාව මරන්න. තමයි වෙලාව දැන් මම බැලුවේ වෙලාව කොහෙද කොතනද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. මම කොහෙද යන්නේ?
Saranga.
Yes.
Can we speak about GSP Plus එක ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් කතා කරමු now that this meeting is over?
Yeah, okay.
All right, thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
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 I was trying to get at හේමන්තටයි දයාරත්න injection එක second injection එක ගහලා අමාරුයිලු ටිකක් මේ හෙට කොහොම හරි එන්නම් කිව්වා ඒ වුණාට මේ අද දැන් තමයි අමාරුවෙන් හිටියේ මේ then I said he is participating අපේ මේ අනිත් මේ උදේ program එකටත් එයා එනවා.
Okay.
Are you joining for that?
Tomorrow's one?
Oh,
Uday ekata.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm coming.
That's a good one actually.
Yeah, I'm coming for that.
ඊට පස්සේ
හෙට මේ කවුද මම කතා කරේ සීෆුඩ් ඩිලාන්ට කන්ෆර්ම් කරා එනවා කියලා.
හරි.
අපි අනිත් ඔක්කොම ගත්තොත් ලේසි මේ ෆෝමැට් එකයි
මම මේ
කොස්ට් එකයි දීලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි තුනක්නේ තියෙන්නේ අපිට 2:00 විතර ඔයයි මායි ඉස්සෙල්ලා ජොයින් වුණා නම් we can agree on what we discussed නේ.
අපි මම ඒක තමයි දැන් මේ ඇහුවේ. ඔයගේ අපිට දැම්ම පොඩ බල ලෙවල් එක ඩිස්කස් පුළුවන්
ඒක තමයි.
පුළුවන් ඒතර ඉවරයිනේ අපිට එක වෙලාවෙම අරකට ආව හැකිනේ.
ඔව්.
එට ටිකක් කොළුව හොඳ නැහැ දවස්.
හරි නෑ බේසිකලි මං හිතන්නේ එකම දෙයයි ක්ලියර් කරගන්න තියෙන්නේ එදා අපි ඒරියාස් ටික නම් අපි දෙන්න අර කෝල් එකෙන් ක්ලියර් කරගත්ත එක ඩොකියුමන්ට් වුණා. ක්ලියර් කරගන්න තියෙන අනිත් එක තමයි ටයිම් ස්ලොට්ස් ටික දෙන එක.
ඔව්. ඒකයි ක්වෙස්චන්ස් දෙකක් හොයාගන්න ඕනේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙම මේ වෙලාවෙම ගත්තා නම් හොඳයිනේ.
ඔව් එතකොට බේසිකලි හෙට කරන්න වෙන්නේ every speaker අපි කියමු ඒගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන ඒරියාස් ටික ඒක ඒගොල්ලන්ට කතා කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. right එතකොට overlap නොවෙන්න. number 2 එක time allocation එක. මම හිතන්නේ ඒකට අර බේස් එක මම හදපු එක ඒක පාවිච්චි කරමු නේ.
ඔව් ඒක පාවිච්චි කරමු.
ඒක පාවිච්චි කරමු. number 3 ඒගොල්ලන්ට questions දෙකක් අපිට දෙන්න කියන එක.
ඒක දෙන්න.
ඒගොල්ලන්ට speech
එක කතා කරන්න මේ සුරේෂ්ට එහෙම පැය දෙකම ඉන්න පුළුවන් වේද දන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම පොඩි ඉෂුව එකක් තියෙනවා. මෑන් කිව්වා.
එයාගෙන් එහෙමනම් හෙට එයාගෙන් ගමු එයා ඉන්න time duration එක මොකක්ද කියලා. එයාව ප්ලේස් කරන්නත් එපා මේ වෙලාව ඇතුළත.
ඔව්.
එයා හෙට එන එකක් නැහැ නේ.
මම කෝල් කරලා දැන් අහන්න බලන්න.
At least for first 15 minutes then we can finish him first.
අපිට අත්තුම් කියනවා නම් එයා ඉවර කරලා නෑ දැන් මෙතනදී planning meeting එකදී ආ ඉන්න එක හොඳයි නේ නැත්නම් එයා
exactly
නම් මේ එයා prepared නැතුව ඇවිල්ලා නිකන් වෙනින් කතාවක් කියලා මේ
exactly
මෙයා ග්‍රේස් කියනවා එකක් එතකොට ඒ දෙක සින්ක්‍රොනයිස් වෙන දේවල් තියෙන්නත් එපානේ.
ඔව් මං හිතනවා එයාට එන්න පුළුවන් නම් හොඳයි කියලා. එයාටත් හොඳයි නේ ඉතින් මේක මේ ප්ලෑනින් එයා ඕවර්ලැප් නොවෙන්නත් ඕනේ.
නෑ දැන් කොහොමද දැන් හෙට උදේටත් මං එන්න කිව්වා මෑන්ට මේ අපේ මේ එකටත්. මේ ඒකට ටිකක් හරි වෙලා ඇවිල්ලා ඉඳලා යන්නම් කියලා කිව්වා. I said to create some interest ඉතින් අතරම කියනවා දැන් ඒගොල්ලන් වුණත් මේ සමහරක් වෙලාවට he said he'll get somebody to register කියලා මම දන්නේ නැහැ වෙනින් කම්පැනි එකේ register වෙලා ඉන්නවද කියලා.
ambassador confirm කරා දෙනවා කියලා.
එයා එනවා.
හරි එතකොට
ambassador
coordinate කරන්න.
එයාගේ secretary කවුද ඉන්ද්‍රානි නේ.
ඔව්.
එයාට කෝල් දෙනවා ඌ ගාලා රැයටත් කෝල් දෙනවා.
ඇලෙක්ස්ට ඒගොල්ලෝ කියනවා කියලානේ පොරොන්දුනේ.
ඇලෙක්ස්ට හැබැයි එදාට බිසි කියලා කිව්වා.
එහෙමද?
ඔව්. අය මේල් එකක් කියලා මම වාට ඒක උත්තරය ආපු එක වාට කොපි කරා.
මට තේරුම් දැක්කේ නෑ. එතකොට ડોක්ටර් දාරත්න
හරිනේ දාරත්න එන්නම් කිව්වා හෙටකට.
හරි. ඕකේ ඇත්තටම ඇලෙක්ස්ුයි දායයි තමයි එකට ඉන්න ඕනේ මොකද ඒ දෙන්න ඕලක් නෙවෙයි. එතකොට මේ කවුද හේමන්ත
අරයාගේ එච්චර ටෙක්නිකල් පාර්ට් එකක් නැහැ නේ. ඇලෙක්ස්
ඔව් එයා සමහරට ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් පැත්තෙන් යයිනේ. එයා ට්‍රේඩ් පැත්තෙන්.
අපිට අත්‍තරම කියනවා නම් ඕක තමයි දැනගන්න ඕනේ. එයා ප්‍රැක්ටිකල්ද තියරිටිකල් අපිට ඕනේ නැහැ අත්‍තරම කියනවා නම් දයාගේ තියරි ගියාම ඇති.
හරි. එතකොට මේ ඩිලාන් ඕකේ කිව්වා කන්ෆර්ම් කරා. හේමන්ත වා කතා කරන්න ඉතින් එනවා නම් හරි.
මේ හේමන්ත දැන් කෝල් එකක් දුන්නා. ඒතකොට කිව්වා මචං I'm in the middle of a meeting I'll call you කියලා. මං කියන කොහොම හරි වා එන්නම ඕනේ කියලා ඕ බලන්න.
එන්නම ඕනේ කියලා සුරේෂ්ටත් අපි පැය කාලකට විනාඩි 20කට හරි එන්න කිව්වොත් හොඳයි නේ.
ඉන්න බලන්න සුරේෂ්.
ඔන්න යාව රිලීස් කරන්න.
උ බිසි හරිම. නෑ ඒ වුණාට මෑන් කිව්වහම එන්න නැතුව ඉන්න එක්කෙනෙකුත් නෙමෙයි හොඳයි.
යා එක්සැක්ට්ලි. එතකොට ඊළඟ එක තමයි ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ඇසු දැන් EDB ආවොත් EDB database එකට අපේ මේ
නෑ අපි ෆ්ලයර් එක හදපු හැටිම එයාගේ ෆොටෝ
ෆ්ලයර් එකේ මට ඩ්‍රාෆ්ට් ආවා මම තාම ෆොටෝ ටික දුන්නේ මේ නැති වුණොත් මම අද මේ ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරපුවා දෙනවා
ඔව්
ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවත් එක්ක
ඔයා දැනට ඒක දාලා හදන්න මචං
නෑ හදලා ඇත්තටම හැදුවා මේ ඩ්‍රාෆ්ට් දෙකක් මම මේවා කරා මට තිබිච්ච ඉෂුව මේ ඇත්තට මේකේ ස්පීකර්ස්ලා 6යිනේ එතකොට මේ ඒකයි ඩීටේල්ස් වැඩි නිසා ආර්ට්වර්ක් එක ගැන මට පොඩි කන්සර්න්ස් තිබුණා මම දෙපාරක් වෙනස් කරා. කොහොමත් අද රෑට වෙනස් මේව කළා හෙට මාකටිං පටන් ගන්නවා. ඩන් මම ඔයාලටත් ඒ හදපු මේ ඩ්‍රාෆ්ට් එක ඔයාලට ෂෙයා කරන්නම් අන්තිමට අපට ආප් එක. පොඩි කමෙන්ට් එකක් දෙන්න මම ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් ඩාර්ක් වැඩි කියලා වෙනස් කරලා දෙන්න කියලා කිව්වා. ඒකයි අර මේ ඔයාගේ ෆෝරම් එක දැන් මේක අර WhatsApp එකට හදන්නේ අර මේ පළල පැත්තට පැටි එකක් නේ මං කවර ඔයාගේ ෆෝරම් එකට හදුවා වගේ උඩ හතරක් හදලා දෙන්න කියලා. ඒතකොට ටිකක් ස්පේස් එක වැඩියෙන් තියෙන නිසා ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම අදර වෙනවා. හෙට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම අපි මාකටිං වැඩ ටික පටන් ගන්නවා. හරි. එතකොට මේක මේ හෙට මීටින් එකේ කතා කරන්න වෙන්නේ අපි ඒරියාස් ටික ක්ලියර් කර ගන්නවා, ටයිම් ඇලොකේෂන් එක ක්ලියර් කර ගන්නවා, ස්ටේෂන් ක්වෙස්චන්ස් ටික ක්ලියර් කර ගන්නවා. ඒ ආරෙන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන් මාකටිං සපෝට් එක ගැන පොඩි අදහසක් ගන්න.
Suresh, good evening. This Keith Kanavadan. Federation of Chambers. Hi, how are you? මං ඔයාලට කතා කරේ අර දෙකක් ගැන එකක් ඇවිල්ලා GSP plus seminar and tomorrow අපි we have another මේ අර industry 4.0 event එකයි ඒ දෙකම if possible මං ඔයාලට දැන් එවන්නම් මේක ඉවර වෙච්ච හැටිම මේ event එකේ link එක ඒකට ඔයාලට time නැත්තම් that's okay. But අනිත් එකට නම් එන්න ඕනේ. You should be there. We have taken you as a speaker there නේ. ඒකේ තියෙනවා සුරේෂ් හෙට house 3ට අපේ පොඩි planning meeting එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. ඒකේ Grace ආශිර්වාදම් you know the EU මේ high
ambassador.
Oh. තුනයි හතරයි අතරේ කොයි වෙලාවකට වලට බෑද? එකම දේ තියෙන්නේ මට I prefer to queue with this Grace and එයාගේ team එකයි කොමත් එක්කම කතා කරන දේ we can discuss about. She said she will මේ පොඩි change එකකුත් අපි කරා. You will talk about the EDB perspective කියන එකයි යා she will talk from the EU point of view කියන එක. එහෙම තමයි කිව්වේ. මං හිතුවේ දැන් ඔය දෙන්නම හිටියා. ඒක දෙන්න 12ක්. ඔව්. ඒක නම් සුරේෂ් දාලම ඒක නම් දාලම තියාගන්න 12 3 to 5. 3 to 5 එක දාලා තියෙනවා. GSV plus එක. එතකොට හෙට එකටත් මම වඩ මේල් එක දැන් හෙට දවාල එකට බෑනේ. හෙට 3 to 5 මේ 3 to 4 තමයි අපි දැම්මේ නිකන් planning meeting එකක්. බෑනේ. හරි. හරි. ඇත්ත. ඇත්තද හරි. මට අද මිනිස්සුත් හම් වෙනවා හවසට මේ he also mentioned මහිත් එක දවසක් කිව්වා. He was telling me about you know මං කිව්වා අපේ අත්‍තරම කියනවා ෆෙඩරේෂන් එකෙත් දැන් අපේ entrepreneur awards කරන එකෙත් he told me that he will his එයාගේ මේ trade ministry එකේ එන්න ලබන අවුරුද්දේ ඉඳලා කියලා ඔකට join වෙන්න. අද අපි යන්නෙත් අත්‍තරම කියනවා නම් මේ today we had the board meeting මේ එහා පැත්තේ මේ Shirley ඔක්කොමලා හිටියා දැන්. මේ still Shirley also going with me. අපි ගිහින් පොඩ්ඩක් house පොඩි chat එකක් දාලා he said to come home කියලා. මේ ඔයාගේ මේ සුරේෂ් ඔයාගේ තියෙන program උත් අපිත් එක්ක වෙලා අපි will try to do some marketing and promotion from our FCCI side also. ඒතර ඔයාලටත් හොඳයි එතන මිනිස්ටර්ටත් හොඳයි ඔක්කොම දැන් අපේ if they are going to join hands with us for this program. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh my God. නෑ මන් දන්නවා ඇවිල්ලා හම්බන්තොට වෑන් කියලා කියන්නේ ඒවනේ හරියනම් අයිඩෙන්ටිටි එක බැලුවොත්. ඔව්. 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 Yeah. Sure. Yes. ඔව් ඒක නම් ඇත්ත. ඔව්.
කීර්ති sorry.
Yeah, monkey.
එයාට බෑ කිව්වද? නෑ.
ඒක ඇත්ත. ඒක ඇත්ත. ඔව්. ඔව්.